Greetings everyone, in today's video I will show you how to take a screenshot in iPhone. Before you get started, please subscribe to our channel. To taking a screenshot is basically a really simple process. So all you have to do is just press at the same time power button and volume button. Just like that, that will immediately take a screenshot, and every time you do that, it will save a current screenshot to your photo. So you can go to photo here at your library. You can see easily find all these screenshots. Also we can go to album, and here if we scroll down we can find the screenshot. So if we tap on it, we can easily find all the screenshots in one button. Also, you can take a screenshot by double tapping on backside of your device. Just like that. Let me show you again. Double tap, and to enable this feature you need to go to settings and then accessibility touch. Scroll down to the V button where you can find backdrop and where you can configure action for double tap and triple tap. All you have to do is just tap on it and then select screenshot. That's how you can easily take a screenshot on your phone. So this is the way how you can take a screenshot in iPhone. This is the video for today. Thanks for watching this.